Deacon Lisa from St. Thomas in Menasha. I would like you to join with me with our next video podcast featuring Wade Lindholm, and I pray that this may be a blessing to you. Thank you so much, Wade, for the story that you're about to share.
Hi, everyone. 3.5 years ago, my wife Sharon passed away. At that time, as you can imagine, I wasn't filled with hope. I was not void of it, but it was certainly drained from me. I knew my life had changed, and I had to carry on differently, and my boys would have to do the same thing. My hope at the time was just to carry on and raise my boys the best I could and to adjust to a new and different life. And I'm still adjusting. One thing I did have is faith. I consider myself lucky because I learned about faith and seemed to understand it at a very early age. And that's pretty much thanks to going to church for most of my life, as long as I can remember. So because of my faith and belief, I did know that hope would return, and it has, and I'm still hoping. Now, I know that every single one of you has had to deal with tragedy, hardship, uncertainty, so I'm not unique in any way. This is just my example, and the reason I bring it up is you, all of the members and clergy of this church. I cannot thank you enough for being there for me and my boys when Sharon passed away. Almost everyone in our entire congregation at St. Thomas reached out in love and support in some way. And for that, I'm very grateful. So it was really the body of this church, you, who gave me hope and helped me to restore hope at a really hard time in my life. To me, hope is a blessing. Hope is important. Hope keeps me going. And I'm glad you have been and continue to be a part of my hope. Thank you.